Good morning, ma'am. Regarding po dun sa question nyo, dun sa speed, no, 20, ayaw na bumilis. Ito po yung sinasabi ko. You have to press this one. I mean, pag accidentally na press to, lalabas naman po sa instrumentation panel is, ayun, no, limit 20. Kumbaga speed limiter po yan eh. Just check, excuse me, just check out that po. Kung ito nakalabas, yan po, no? Zoom natin. Yan. So, hindi po talaga 20 lang kayo as you mentioned earlier. Baka by accident po napindot mo ito. Limiter. Okay po? Yan po yung isang question nyo. Yung susunod naman is dun sa wiper. Okay? Pupunta po tayo rito sa infotainment. You have to press the car sign. And you have to go and press the vehicle. Saan na ba? Yan. And then you will see po, ayun, wiper. Gusto nyo matic eh. Press the wipers. And then, makikita mo doon, rain sensing or courtesy wipe. Yung rain sensing, if it's engaged, makikita mo blue. That means, pag umulan po, the wiper will automatically switch on. And then, automatically adjust the speed. Depende po sa lakas ng ulan. Yun po don't forget. Balik tayo, pakikita ko sa'yo para hindi mo makalimutan. Press the vehicle sign here and go to vehicle and then wipers po. And then siguro naka-off to kaya hindi nag-automatic. Just press the rain sensing po and that's it, finish. Okay ma'am, thank you very much po, bye-bye.